One thing we offer is custom cutting services. Most of our products come standard in a 2-meter length, which is not the length that most people use. This is usually taken, cutting down to a smaller size before they use in their final product assembly. With today's labor shortages and the lack of availability and time resources in most people's shop, we offer the custom cutting services. What we will do then is we can cut them already to length for you. You give us the specifications, we will cut them to length, package them up so you can take them straight from the box and use them in your final assembly. You don't have to deal with this long piece and you don't have to fabricate it. And the other thing is, we take care of the scrap. You have everything you have is useful material. You don't need to throw it away. We will take care of that